Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here. Hope you're all well wherever you are in the world. Yeah, just a quick midweek update right now, just to bring you up to date. We've been actively working on the home of Arry the Stag, the new garage build in the back garden. Obviously an advantage of lockdown means that we're all at home, so we've been all mucking in and getting stuck in. So I've shot a few pics of that for you to watch and share. Some of you have asked us to show you guys what we've been up to, so just to give you that overview, just to bear in mind we're not officially appointed or qualified construction workers, and we've taken our own approach to this, and wholly supported by Grandad Jim, who's an outstanding guy. He's just had his 80th birthday, for the record. Don't tell him I told you that, but what a guy. He's been clambering around ladders like a 30-year-old. Anyway, let's go and have a look, and I'll let the pictures tell the story. Okay, so this is the Arry the Stag team, busy putting the membrane on the outside of the garage. How's it going, boys?
Yeah, it's going good.
Going good?
Getting there.
It's looking good. One or two people have been asking how we've been building this era garage, so I just thought I'd do a quick spin around. Basically, it's bits of 4x2, 4x2. But yeah, built up on the ground, on the floor in panels, and then cladded with some plywood and concrete screws to hold the walls in, isn't it?
Yeah.
You all right, Harry?
Yeah.
Having fun? We've also done the roof, as you can see, so this was all done yesterday, completed, and is currently 25 feet by 12 feet wide, so making good progress. The plan today, before the rain comes in, is to get a roof on this thing. See a trumpet pilot Bob, and I think we're in for a bit of rain for the next week or so. So that is what we must do today. Grandad Jim has just arrived, so we are happy families and a good team of construction workers. Not doing a great deal on the Stag this week for obvious reasons.
No, okay, so in bed this morning.
There's Grandad Jim.
Things I can tell you about in bed this morning.
Talking about his bedroom exploits. But there you go, so that's it. All built by ours truly, the Arry the Stag team. But it will be a really good home for the cars and for all our tools and everything. And the one at the front here will be knocked down flat, give us more garden eventually. And yeah, there we go. Happy days.
If we did that,
They're going to be different all the way along, I know that.
so what I'm thinking, that's pretty good.
Just doing it right at the bottom, so it's on the most bottom piece of wood.
That last night about the door. Yeah. And saw that bit off all the way through,
Yeah.
right? So then we've got
A noggin going down.
that we can
Fascia
be
board.
part of the fascia board, the ply. Because what I want is the fascia down.
Yeah.
You look at this. You want the roof to come down as I brought round.
And we'd have been absolutely lost without these things. We've had 2 drills on the go, and can't recommend these highly enough in terms of numbers of thousands of screws that we've used to build this place. And we're even being helped by Downpipe Duke, aren't we, Duke? Good boy. He's a good boy. Just been for walkies. Good lad. Okay, so around the outside, as you can see, it's quite tight, but perfectly manageable. And the team Arry the Stag are down here cutting off the knobby bits. Ooh, ow, it's a bit tight for those with wide shoulders. And there we are.
That one I'll just stand up.
Team Arry the Stag at work, starring Grandad Jim in his flower pot man hat.
Soaring Harry.
He's soaring Harry. What are you doing?
He's just
Got one of his
Just sawed
fingers
Harry's
off.
hand off.
Oh, look,
Thumb it. Right, you go. Alright, you stay there.
what family fun this is.
That's not the one you used to stick up your ass, is it?
We hope
I'll use my
this
index
will be
finger for that.
home of Arry The Stag in due course. At 4 men, 4 days, they said, didn't they?
There you go. Where is it?
Very technical.
It's a cube, basically, a cube, but it comes flat packed. And as you undo it like that, it's got a little thing that goes and it explodes out with a load of confetti. There you go, 747.
Well done.
See him?
Yep. 747, taken off.
Would you, as a
Right.
test pilot, Jane, take this garage down the wrong way for the first one?
Of course we would.
It's not a plane though, is it?
The first bit of the roof is on.
I'm going to care a lot more about my plane.
In
than I am.
times of war, it might be needed. You might be forced to fly it.
Right, we have the first part of the roof up. Got that on camera, Grandad. Edit that bit out. All right,
Better than nothing.
better than nothing.
Do. Please. Right, so what we need to do is we need to take out that bottom piece of wood at the minute because it's messing everything else up.
Okay.
What? No, we're fine. Thank you.
So some good progress being made here. Looks like the last piece is about to go in. Meanwhile, the boys are just finishing off the other end.
That'll do it.
Proper job. Okay, so we've got the roof is all on overnight, and the boys have just been putting some damp kind of membrane across the whole garage to keep the weather out, and then over the top we'll be putting shingles and featherboard along the side. So making very good progress. All right, boys, it's been a good effort. We'll update everybody in a week or two when we've got more to show, but what have you got to say?
Just want it done. I want a day off now.
James was just asking, what was it? If each individual roof tile
The
comes in
hexagon shingle, I was asking if it was actually each individual hexagon and not a strip, because it wouldn't surprise me in all of this.
but luckily it was. Okay.
Well, that's that. See you later. We'll see you online on Arry the Stag soon. Very soon, unless we die.
Yeah, don't fall off.